Work all day and fuck all night! Take fucking action! Subscribe now!
I don't want you to keep on doing the same thing and keep on failing. You may be working very hard, but doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. You cannot get a different result by doing the same thing over and over again, right? In order to get a different result, you have to try something different. So maybe you have to introduce a change in the process. Maybe you have to introduce, a new script. Maybe you have to fire people. Maybe the people you have in your team are not optimal. Maybe they're not motivated as you. Maybe, you're the only person doing all the hard work and they're just sitting in the office like doing fucking nothing, right? So you have to look at all the variables around you and introduce change. And this requires creativity. This requires a little bit of brain, right? So I don't want you to just follow tasks and, well, if I do this and do this and do this, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and if I work really hard and I will be successful. No, you have to look at what you're getting from what you're doing. And if the result is not optimal, you have to go back and make changes, right? And you continually introduce change, small improvements, small improvements, small improvements, small improvements. Eventually, after many trial and error, you will get results. And it's all about results. When you get results, your boss will love you, your manager will love you, your customers will love you, they will fucking appreciate you. Because they're not looking at how much you work, they're looking at how much results you can produce for them.